Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. Here's another calligraphy brush that's sure to add a grungy edge to your lettering artwork, the Messy Calligraphy brush. It's a brush that gives you an edgy street vibe that you can use for large-scale word art or urban calligraphy lettering to give you more variety in your brush arsenal. It's a dual brush, so I'll teach you how to create each from scratch with built-in PROCREATE textures and brush shapes so you get the same exact results. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's start with the first brush by starting with an open canvas, doesn't matter the size or orientation. Choose a brush library and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In stroke path, set stroke property spacing to 2% and set fall off to 5%. In stabilization, set your stabilization amount to 50% or set your preferred stabilization settings. In shape, go into the shape source library and choose Rust 2. Tap Done twice to save shape. Under Shape Behavior, turn on Azimuth. In Grain, go into the Grain Source library and choose Charcoal Burnt. Tap Done twice to save grain. Under Grain Behavior, set Movement to 20%, Scale to 35%, Zoom to 15%, and Depth Jitter to 35%. Set Blend Mode to Subtract. Down here, set Brightness to 65% and Contrast to 60%. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Intense Blending. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size to Max, Opacity to None, Flow to Max, and Bleed to 10%. And that's our first brush done. Let's use this as the basis of our second brush, so let's duplicate this and go into the brush settings to make a few changes. In stroke path, set stroke property spacing to 5%, jitter to 35%, and fall off to 15%. In shape, go into Shape Source and choose Flat Ink. Under Shape Behavior, set Rotation to follow Stroke. Turn on Randomized, and turn off Azimuth. In Grain, under Grain Behavior, set Movement to 45%, Scale to 30%, Zoom to 25%, Depth to 60%, and Brightness to 25%. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size to 85%, Flow to 0%, and Bleed to None. Finally, in Properties, set Brush Behavior Maximum Size to 50%. Now that we have both our brushes, let's combine them by tapping on the first brush we created, then swiping right on the second brush and choosing Combine. Now tap on the combined brush to go into the brush settings. Tap on the top brush here, and among the combined mode options, choose Hard Mix. And there you have it! A cool, streaky, and edgy brush that's sure to give you inspiration with your calligraphy art. I'd love to see what art you come up with, so make sure to tag us on Instagram with the hashtag MakeThisBrush or @MakeThisBrush. Thanks so much for checking out this tutorial, and I'll have more for you very soon. So, until next brush, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!